What's up guys, welcome back to the video today. It's called Nelson HD here. Today we've got Emerge Sports Tropical Berry. So yeah, the liquid's blue. Sponsored by Tough Mudder. Only 70p. So yeah, there's a little bit of smell test to this one actually. So 2 out of 10. Not enough smell test, but there's a smell test, you know? That taste test was good. So we're gonna rate it let's give it a one more swiggy wiggy for Corey Roy. Dude, the taste test gonna be 6 out of 10. It is good for a 70p drink, but they could have added a little more juiciness into this wonderful, amazing, brilliant drink. So yeah, that's why I give it a 6 out of 10, but it's still good a drink, as for a 70p drink nowadays in the UK cost more than 70p. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you guys next time for another video. Bye!